harvesting potatoes. So these two boxes are the Agata variety, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one and just see how many potatoes there are and then decide on doing the second one, because I'm basically looking at getting dinner out of this. Which the last box I harvested, that was right here, oh my gosh, they were so good. This one right here is totally dead and all the rest of these are dying. I already have a video posted on why I harvest when I do, if you want to go check that out. Okay, the bottom is definitely broken out of that one. What I might do is try to pick up this whole piece of cardboard and put it all directly over here. Oh, yes. The point of doing that is just because I don't want to lose any soil that can be reused. Okay, so this should be fairly easy because I can just pull this guy away. 1, 2 from that one. So we got a few little baby potatoes. Oh! Excuse you, sir. You say hello? Spreading out the soil a little bit, make it really easy to then plant directly into this bed. I will be able to freshen it up with a little compost, but now, thanks to this bed is going to be ready to plant in. So there is box number 1. I say we go for box 2. I'm just going to finish raking out this side and spreading everything out evenly, and then I'll grab the other box. It's not going anywhere, so we are going to harvest it where it is. We'll see if this one is any better. Ooh, that's a bigger one. It's all falling over everywhere. Oh, look at all the little baby potatoes. That was way messier, but these will make a good dinner for tonight. Moved the soil from the 2 boxes over here, and I still have Cal White left, which is supposed to be like Kennebec, plus all my large and storage varieties.